Hello, and today my presentation is on Cho Hao Lee and David Chung and how they discovered beta endorphins. So, Cho Hao Lee was a Chinese-born American scientist that was born in Canton, China in 1913. He was the son of an accomplished industrialist. He received his bachelor at the University of Nanking, where he taught for 2 years before entering a PhD program at Berkeley. In 1950, Lee became the first director of the newly created Hormone Research Lab, and he then moved to the University of Southern California, where he continued to work for the rest of his life. Before Lee's work on beta endorphins, he studied the function and hormones of the pituitary gland. Lee was either the first or among the first to isolate and identify the anterior pituitary hormones, starting with isolating LH. Lee would go on to isolate and purify 6 of the 8 known hormones secreted. It also took 32 years of research for Lee to synthesize the human growth hormone, the other achievement he is known for besides beta endorphins. So moving on to beta endorphins, we must first speak on what exactly an endorphin is. Endorphin is an opioid peptide that binds to opioid receptors and can inhibit the communication of pain signals or produce a feeling of euphoria. Beta endorphins are neuropeptides that fall under the pain inhibition area of endorphins. They act as natural painkillers, reducing stress and maintaining homeostasis. Beta endorphins are also one of 3 natural endorphins that are produced in humans, the others being alpha and gamma endorphins. Beta endorphins has been primarily studied for its influence on pain receptors, pain perception. Beta endorphins modulates pain perception both in the central nervous system and the peripheral nervous system. How this works is that when pain is received, pain receptors send signals to the spinal cord and then up to the hypothalamus through the release of a neuropeptide called substance P. In the peripheral nervous system, this signal causes the recruitment of white blood cells to the area where pain was perceived, and these white blood cells release beta endorphins, causing the direct inhibition of substance P. In the central nervous system, beta endorphins binds to opioid receptors in the spine and inhibits the release of substance P in the spinal cord, reducing the number of excitatory pain signals sent to the brain. The hypothalamus responds to the pain signal by releasing beta endorphins of its own, which primarily increase the release of dopamine by inhibiting GABA. Through this, beta endorphins work to diminish the pain felt by an individual. This discovery would go on to help researchers understand pain and how the body deals with it on its own physiologically. Thank you, and here are my references.